All right, folks, look at that thermometer climbing. When the summer heat starts pushing your home electrical grid to its absolute limits, you do not want to be caught guessing which window AC is going to pull you through. I spent years keeping the lights on as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 seasons in the residential HVAC trenches. I do not care about shiny plastic or marketing hype. I care about amp draws, component reliability, and build quality. Today, we are putting two specialized machines head-to-head on the test bench, the Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter AC and the Antarctic Star NCAA-06C X1E. Let us look past the digital displays and see what is actually happening inside these chassis. Let us start with physical architecture because how these units sit on your windowsill changes everything. The Antarctic Star utilizes an over-the-sill saddlebag structural layout. This configuration hangs the heavy compressor completely below the level of the windowsill, dropping the center of gravity and letting you keep a clear view outside. The Midea, on the other hand, is built on a true U-shape chassis. That distinct physical channel runs straight through the core of the housing, allowing you to slide your window sash directly down into the frame to partition off the machine. Both approaches do an excellent job isolating the heavy, vibrating outdoor components from your indoor living space, but the physical installation steps are completely different. When we look at the electrical efficiency and motor technology, you start to see where these engineering paths diverge. Both of these machines run variable speed inverter compressors, meaning they can ramp up and idle down smoothly without the brutal, high amp hard starts that plague traditional single-stage units. However, they treat that electrical power very differently. The Antarctic Star operates at a modest energy efficiency ratio of 11.0. The Midea maximizes its inverter drive to achieve a stellar efficiency rating of 15.0. In the field, that means the Midea squeezes significantly more cooling out of every watt it draws from your electrical panel, giving your power bill a much-needed break during peak summer loads. On the financial side, your upfront cost reflects these hardware choices. The Antarctic Star generally retails right around $420, giving you an ultra-quiet 45 decibel run profile, but keeping things strictly localized, with a standard remote control and touch panel. The Midea runs closer to $350, which is an aggressive price point for high-tier efficiency. For that investment, the Midea also includes full wireless capability and smart voice integration right out of the box. The Antarctic Star skips the network entirely, focusing its feature set instead on built-in automatic swing louvers to mechanically sweep airflow across the room. Before I tell you where to spend your hard-earned money, let us talk about standard field maintenance. No matter which machine you buy, if you let the filter clog, your airflow drops and your coil freezes up. Clean that mesh screen every single month. And check the pitch during installation. You need a slight backward tilt so the condensate drains away from your windowsill and out the back of the casing where it belongs. Now, let us talk about the backup policy. If a component fails, you want to know the manufacturer stands behind their soldering. Both brands source their equipment from manufacturing plants in China, and both offer a basic 1-year warranty on the entire machine. However, the Antarctic Star limits its compressor coverage to that same single year. Midea, on the other hand, extends the protection out to 5 full years on the compressor. In my book, a 4-year extension on the most expensive mechanical component in the refrigeration cycle shows real long-term commitment. So, which unit gets the official recommendation? The Antarctic Star is a quiet machine with an innovative, over-the-sill structure that saves your view. But when you balance technology, efficiency, warranty protection, and retail price, the Midea is the absolute winner. It gives you a vastly superior energy efficiency rating, a 5-year compressor warranty, and integrated smart controls, all while costing less at the register. Invest in better engineering now, and you will save money every time the compressor kicks on. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.